The select similar command lets you select objects of similar properties. So for example, if I go to the Home tab, the command is in the selection section over here to the right called select similar, and you pick your source object. So if I was to pick this piece of text here, you can see that it's going to show me the properties of that piece of text. So based on those properties, if I click apply, it's going to go out and it's going to find all that similar objects. So what it's looking for is anything on this layer, anything that matches by color, anything that matches that text style is what it's found. If I wanted to pick up just the EL, then I would use the advanced select in that case. Now the other thing I can do is pick an object from the screen and right click and use a select similar from here as well. So you'll see that that picks up all those line types of that. Now, so it doesn't bring up the property box, it just lets you find that object. So if I was to right click on this and select similar, you'll see it's still going to find those like properties.